everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging a very special beauty bag, and this is the Icons beauty bag from Beauty Expert. This is what it looks like, how it arrives. Inside contains 6 of the most indulgent and iconic beauty products around. The value of the bag comes to £170 and you can purchase this bag for £79. Now this bag was kind of gifted to me from Beauty Expert in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and they've given me a discount code which is Claire Icons, which will entitle you to receive 20% off this bag. All links and everything related to this bag I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what is inside this bag. As with all the Beauty Expert collections, they come with a little booklet, and in here it tells you everything about the products that are featured and a little note from the beauty editor as well. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. All items in this bag are all full size. So the first item is an Lom Cleanser. This is what the outer packaging looks like. I'll just take this off and show you. This is a gorgeous cleanser, absolutely gorgeous cleanser. I've tried it quite a few times now, and more recently I received a little travel size one, and it's just lovely. It is just so gorgeous. It's really creamy, so ideally you don't want to be putting your fingers in there, especially if you've got nails like me. Get yourself a little spoon of some sorts to get it out, put it onto your hand, massage it in, and then apply it over your face and really rub it in. Add a little bit of water, really rub it in, and it just melts away makeup, and the smell is gorgeous. I really, really love this cleanser. It is so good. That's the cleanser, which I'll open up and show you, but it also comes with a cloth. So you'd remove the cleanser from your face with a dampened down warm cloth. So that's nice, but look at this, look at this. Now I know what I'm going to be like. I'm going to want to put my fingers in there straight away. Yeah, I'll just show you what it looks like. I'll make sure that my nails don't go in it. Look at that, look at that. I'm going to pop this down in my bathroom straight away. Oh, such a good cleanser, and it smells gorgeous. You can see on my finger that it sort of turns to like an oil, so it melts. It literally melts on your face. It's so nice. It is really nice. It says a cult favourite for a good reason. The infamous Lom Cleanser melts away your makeup with ease to reveal clean, glowy skin beneath. Formulated with Lom's signature blend of plant oils, eucalyptus oil to drain toxins, hops oil to tone, and chamomile and cocoa butter to soften and soothe. Expertly balanced to suit all skin types. Massage over your face and neck once daily to rid your skin of dirt and congestion. Remove using a warm damp muslin cloth to stimulate skin cell regeneration and improve circulation. Next we've got a product by Elizabeth Arden. This is from the 8-Hour Cream range, and this is an all-over miracle oil for face, body and hair, and we've got 100 mils here. I'll just take the outer packaging off. So you've got a little leaflet in there with more information, and this is what it looks like. Now I haven't tried this before. So it says here to use after cleansing and showering, rub desired amount and pat onto face and neck. Massage over body and smooth through hair, working from ends to roots. That sounds really, really good, doesn't it? So an all over miracle oil. I'll try a little bit on my arm there. Woo. Yeah, just massaging it into my arm. That's nice. It's a very natural smell, but I'm not sure what is in there. I mix oils in with moisturizers and sometimes foundations as a makeup during the day. Any oils I apply to my body, it's usually just before I go to bed or evening when I get out of my clothes and I have a bath or something and put on some pajamas. So no, that feels really lovely. That has blended into my skin really, really well. It hasn't left like a sort of sticky, oily residue. That has just gone straight in there, and it just feels so soft. Ooh. Clinically proven to moisturise for up to 12 hours. It's the ultimate all-you-need product, delicately scented with a light floral fragrance to awaken the senses. Infused with spacky oil, an ingredient that works to deliver long-lasting hydration and bring radiance to the skin. Massage the oil all over the body and scalp to soothe and calm any redness or irritation and feel rejuvenated. So that's the second item in the bag. Next we've got a product by NIOD. This is the Photography Fluid Opacity 12% Highlighting System. And how much have we got here? We've got 30 mils. And this is something I have tried before. I bought this, I think it was on a flight somewhere. I think that's where I bought it. I'm sure that's where I bought it. I had some euros left over from going to Italy, I think, and I decided to buy it. I think so anyway. It started going all white around there, so I decided, no, I'm going to have to get rid of it because, as with a lot of things really, does it say here? Yeah, 6 months, see? You've got 6 months upon opening to use this. And it says here, an advanced colourless priming fluid that uses next generation nanoprismatic particles to refract light and balance out undesirable hues. Contains technologies to make skin appear better, specifically in photographs. So I'm going to have to use this up within 6 months now. I just want to show you what it's like. So it just blends in nicely. It just gives off a gorgeous subtle glow. It says here, with oil-free hydration, bio-sugar complex to offer comfortable, lasting hydration that's suitable for even the oiliest of skin. And then it just goes on to telling you what I read off the back here. So that's the third item in the bag. Next we've got a Molten Brown. This is a shower and bath wash. Next we've got a Molten Brown shower and bath gel. This comes in 4 different scents. I think it will show me now in the booklet. But I have got Jasmine and Sunrose. And what size? I think it's 100 mils. Yeah, 100 mils there. I've got a few of these now. They smell absolutely gorgeous. Jasmine and Sunrose. I'm not sure if I smell this one though. Oh, that smells gorgeous. I'm not a rosy smell lover. I don't like rose smells at all, really. This is just lovely. It just smells so fruity and gorgeous and not overly sweet, but oh, I absolutely love it to the point where it smells like I could drink it. I'm not going to. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, if only you could smell it. I don't think I've ever had that before. And I have had quite a few. So the one I've got is Jasmine and Sunrose. So you might receive Heavenly Gingerlily. You might receive Brown Jasmine and Sunrose. I haven't tried that. Or Suma Ginseng. I haven't tried that either. Or Rhubarb and Rose. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. No rosy strong smells there. It's just, oh, it is gorgeous. It says, envelope your skin with luxury and invigorate your senses with this Molten Brown body wash. With a subtle fragrance and a moisturising formula, your mind and body will be transported to paradise. Pour a small amount into your bath and watch it bubble away or lather over your body to leave your skin feeling cleansed and luminous. We've got a NUXE Paris, and this is a ultra comforting face balm. It intensely nourishes, soothes, helps to repair with honey, propolis and precious oils, and it's for dry and sensitive skins. And we've got 50 mils here. Before I try it, what information can I tell you about it? Particularly beneficial for those with very dry, sensitive skin, but still suitable for use by all. This NUXE Face Balm is a replenishing moisturiser designed for daily use. With a sumptuous butter-like texture but non-greasy feel, the formula melts into the skin almost instantly. Containing over 300 molecules with antioxidants and repairing properties, and infused with honey, shea butter and a wide range of botanical oils, massage onto face and neck to see fine lines and wrinkles diminish and a more radiant complexion. Oh, that sounds lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. You just know that is going to be really nice and thick. Yes. Oh, look. Look. I love doing this. Not great with nails. Not at all, but yeah. Oh wow, oh my gosh, okay, let's try it there. Again, it's very similar to the Lom Cleanser. It seems like a very thick and creamy sort of whipped texture, but then upon application on skin, it almost melts onto the skin and gives like a very lightweight finish. That's really strange. That might be nice actually for having like a, if I'm having a no makeup day and I want to have just a nice luxurious cream on my face and leave it like that, you know? So there's that. And lastly, we got a product by Babor. This is Skinovage Sensational Eyes Reactivating Eye Cream. We've got 15 mils. Now this is the very first time I have received or tried anything by this brand. So I've never tried anything before. So you've got a little leaflet here with more information. I like this. You've got a little tool there so that you can get the cream. And that's what it looks like. Lovely packaging. And that's what it is. Let's try this tool. Where haven't I applied any product? I've put too much on now. It's an eye cream. You only need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Oh, it's nice. It feels quite refreshing actually. No scent, unless it's just all mixed in with everything else. But it does feel quite cooling. Reactivating eye cream. That is odd. I can feel like a cooling effect on my hand there. Fortified with shea butter and macadamia nut oil, this fast absorbing eye cream delivers intense moisture and hydration to the eye area to reveal smoother, more supple skin underneath. Apply a small amount under the eye morning and night after cleansing to see visible reduced signs of aging. Fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and crow's feet will all start to disappear. Active ingredients such as alpine stem cells, osmo tea and regu age work together to protect against free radicals as well as regenerating skin cells and improving circulation. There's no mention about it feeling quite cooling, so I wonder if there's an ingredient in there that is just doing that. So that's the last item in the bag, so I'm just going to gather them all up and do a recap. So as well as receiving this bag, an Eve Lom Cleanser and a cloth. Got an Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, 24-hour all over miracle oil. Got a NIOD photography fluid, opacity 12%. A skin corrector illuminizer. Got a Molten Brown bath and shower gel. We got a NYX Paris ultra comforting face balm. And lastly, we got a Babor Reactivating Eye Cream. So thank you to Beauty Expert for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. There's some gorgeous, gorgeous products there which I can't wait to use. Plus some products which I already am familiar with and I do use. So yeah, so thank you. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this bag? Have you bought any of the collections before? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.